Alright guys, so today finally going to be installing a shift knob. This is a stock STI one that came on my WRX. So I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across Get a Grip. I will put the link to Instagram down below, but they make shift knobs out of bicycle grips. Take a look at the one I got. It's got black for the grip and then red. Their logo up top, their logo on the bottom. So all the hardware it comes with your grip and the aluminum goes through the shifter to right here. So this is what it covers, just like that. This is for the 6-speed Subaru WRX STI, so they have kits, and I got the kit for my car, obviously. And they also give you a sticker. I actually bought a sticker after I got the shifter, thinking I wouldn't get a sticker, but see, I'm probably just gonna put it right by my in focus one that I got from my shift boot. So I'm gonna put it right here on the side. But yeah, they got some pretty cool shifters on there. You can just customize all the colors, and they got it for other cars too. Toyotas, Hondas, Subarus and all that. But yeah, I will leave a link to their channel, or their page down below, I mean, channel. Anyways, let's take this stock one off. That. Oh, and it comes with the hardware you need too, the cap for the top and the Allen wrench and the 2 bolts. Just gonna thread it on. I've been waiting to get a shifter. I've just looked at so many. There's been so many out there, and I've just been trying to make up my mind on which one. So yep, the reverse lockout. Put in here, get neutral. Reverse lockout still works. So you just gotta take your grip, and you just gotta slide it over top. And this is when the Allen wrench comes into play. Right there. Put that on later. So the 2 bolts they give you, they're both going to go on the top pin and the bottom one, and you're just going to have to use that Allen wrench to tighten it up on the side here. Okay, so we're going to go through this side. So I guess right now you'd want to make sure you have your Get a Grip facing whichever way you want. I think I might do it facing forward because I'm going to be able to see it. So I might just do it like this. Start to come in from this way. There we go, that's much easier. Right. There we go, it's all nice and flush. Let's get that other one put on. Going the opposite way. So you want to put it in, there's 2 sides on these. On the one side there's no threads, on the other side there are threads. You want to go through the no thread side first and just tighten it up. You don't want to tighten it up too tight, but just to where it all hooks up with the actual inside part. Just like that. I'm not gonna do it too tight.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Alright guys, sorry about the interruption. Girlfriend was calling me. She's on her way home. So yeah, I got it, put the cap on. I just noticed that it's a little loose, so we're just gonna tighten up both of these. Just a little bit more. Got that one. There you go. Yeah, so you just probably want to tighten it up until you can't tighten it. Alright. Wow. Sweet. Might be a little difficult for the reverse. Try to get used to that. Yeah. That was how to install a Get a Grip shift knob. Like I said before, I will have their Instagram down below. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.